In today's video, we are going to show you how to download a video from Google Flow, especially if you have created a video and want to save it to your device for editing, sharing, or uploading. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and start a new project or open an existing one. You will be forwarded to a new page. You can rename that project if you want. For example, we have one here, and then at the bottom, you can enter a detailed text prompt describing the subject, action, environment, lighting, and style. Now, you want to make sure that you selected the mode, which is going to be the video. Flow gives you all these options, like if you want to render an image, frames, or ingredients, you have the ability to do so. You want to make sure to choose the right orientation. You could choose landscape, portrait, or X1, X2, X3, X4. On the mods, you can choose from a video, a 3.1, fast or quality. And then once you are happy with that, click the plus button. It will render the scene. And at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere or delay the rendering times. And once the scenes are ready, you can choose from the two options. Number one, if you're happy with this, all I have to do is click the download button on the top right corner. You can choose from any of the following. Is it going to be like a 2070 animated GIF, a 720 original size, 1080 upscaled, especially if you prefer to upload it to YouTube, which is usually recommended. However, if you plan to download it on 4K, it requires an upgrade. Okay? So for now, we're going to choose the 1080 upscaled. Click that, and downloading may take several minutes. And once finished, the file will automatically download to your computer's downloads folder. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to download a Google Flow video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.